Hey, it's Kim from Schaefer Chevrolet showcasing our 2016 Ram 1500 with only 83,000 miles on it. Wanted to do a quick little video for you. I know the vehicle's a little bit dirty. There are some scratches that you can see on the truck with it being a darker color. It definitely does show those a lot different there. But overall condition from what I'm seeing, especially for being a 2016, better condition than what I typically see. Not noticing too much major here. A little tiny chip there on the paint. Move around to this side. Go ahead and check out the bed. Does have the Line-X liner in there. Again, definitely see those usually all rusted out, and those are actually in really good condition. Same thing with the cab corners here. Everything's looking pretty good. Just some scratching, which, I mean, if you were to go ahead and get a vehicle buff job on it, it might take most of it out. There is some scratching here on the front. The vehicle has not been detailed yet. It is still a newer one to our lot. I'll pop it open, let you take a peek. Obviously some touch up there. It does have the floor mats. Those are kind of hiding the back seat at the moment. And inside, go ahead and start the vehicle up. Okay, so tire pressure sensors, looks like those are out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the vehicle in reverse. You can see the backup camera's working. You got the the trailer brake controller there, heated seats, heated steering wheel there. If you have any other questions on the vehicle, feel free to go ahead and give me a call. That phone number is 989-529-0115. Have a great day.